Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to recover your deleted messages on your iPhone without backup. So if you want to go ahead and recover the deleted messages that you have deleted on your iPhone device without necessarily backing up your device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So the deleted messages are gonna be located still on your Messages application. So I want you go ahead and launch the Messages app. And let's go ahead and tap on Edit on the top left corner. Now let's tap on Show Recently Deleted. And you should see all of your recently deleted messages located right here. Now, you can actually go to recover these without backing up or using the backup option on your iCloud. So, in order for us to recover, we can actually select the individual ones that we want to go ahead and recover, or just dab on Recover All to recover all of these messages. And it's that easy, guys, to recover your deleted messages on the Messages application. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.